Are you looking for the best printer for stickers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best printer for stickers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Canon PIXMA PRO 200. The Canon PIXMA PRO 200 is a professional-grade wireless inkjet photo printer designed for photographers and artists seeking high-quality, wide-format color prints. Equipped with an 8-color dye-based ink system, it delivers vibrant and accurate color reproduction, making it ideal for gallery-quality prints. The printer supports borderless printing up to 13 inches by 19 inches and custom sizes up to 13 inches by 39 inches, accommodating various media types and sizes. With a maximum print resolution of 4800 by 2400 dpi, it ensures sharp details and smooth gradations in photos. The PIXMA PRO 200 offers multiple connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and support for mobile printing via Canon's Print app, Apple AirPrint, and Mopria. Its compact design and 3-inch LCD display make it user-friendly and suitable for small studios or home offices. While it lacks scanning and duplex printing capabilities, its exceptional photo print quality and versatile media handling make it a top choice for professionals focused on photo printing. Number 2. Epson EcoTank Photo ET 8550. The Epson EcoTank Photo ET 8550 is a versatile wireless wide-format all-in-one printer designed for photography enthusiasts and creative professionals. It features Epson's cartridge-free EcoTank system, utilizing a 6-color Claria ET premium ink set that delivers vibrant colors and sharp text for various projects. With the ability to print borderless photos up to 13 inches by 19 inches, as well as CDs and DVDs, it offers exceptional media handling capabilities. The printer supports media up to 1.3 mm thick, including cardstock, and includes ortho two-sided printing for added convenience. Each set of replacement ink bottles allows for printing up to 2 years, significantly reducing printing costs compared to traditional ink cartridges. The EcoTank Photo ET 8550 also offers a 4.3-inch color touchscreen for easy navigation and is compatible with various mobile printing solutions, including Epson Smart Panel, Apple AirPrint, and Mopria. Its sleek white design and compact footprint make it suitable for home offices and creative spaces. Overall, the Epson EcoTank Photo ET 8550 combines high-quality printing with cost efficiency, making it an excellent choice for those seeking professional-grade photo printing capabilities. Number 3. Epson EcoTank ET 2750. The Epson EcoTank ET 2750 is a wireless all-in-one inkjet printer designed for home use, offering printing, scanning, and copying capabilities. It features Epson's cartridge-free EcoTank system, utilizing refillable ink tanks that significantly reduce the cost per page compared to traditional cartridge-based printers. The printer supports wireless connectivity, allowing for printing from various devices, including smartphones and tablets. It also includes ortho two-sided printing, helping to save paper. The ET 2750 is known for its cost-effectiveness and convenience, making it a suitable choice for users seeking a reliable and economical printing solution for home use. Number 4. Epson Expression Photo XP 970. The Epson Expression Photo XP 970 is a compact wireless all-in-one printer designed for photography enthusiasts and small creative studios. It features a 6-color Claria Photo HD ink system that delivers vibrant, borderless photos up to 11 inches by 17 inches with smooth gradations and accurate skin tones. The printer boasts fast performance, producing 4-inch by 6-inch photos in as little as 11 seconds. Its versatile design includes a rear paper feed for specialty media and the ability to print directly onto CDs and DVDs. The XP 970 also offers a 4.3-inch touchscreen for PC-free printing, built-in USB and memory card slots, and supports wireless printing from smartphones and tablets via Wi-Fi Direct. While it lacks an automatic document feeder and duplex printing, the XP 970's exceptional photo print quality and compact footprint make it an excellent choice for those seeking professional-grade photo printing capabilities. Number 5. Epson EcoTank ET 2800. The Epson EcoTank ET2800 is a wireless all-in-one inkjet printer designed for home use, offering printing, scanning, and copying capabilities. It features Epson's innovative cartridge-free EcoTank system, utilizing high-capacity, easily refillable ink tanks that significantly reduce the cost per page compared to traditional ink cartridges. The printer supports wireless connectivity, allowing for printing from various devices, including smartphones and tablets. It also includes a high-resolution flatbed scanner and a color display for easy document copying and navigation. The ET2800 is known for its cost-effectiveness and convenience, making it a suitable choice for users seeking a reliable and economical printing solution for home use.